Alright, back out in the garage. It's January 4th. We're getting ready to get a big snowstorm. Like 12 inches of snow. It's already starting to freeze and rain out there now. Got cars parked all over the place in the garage. But we're going to try to put that plow that was on I think a wheel horse lawn tractor that I've already had on an International Cub onto the new plow truck. And the plow's already been extended from, let's see if we can see it. I've already extended it before to fit the Farmall Cub. This bracket's been modified, welded, and modified, and broken, and modified, and welded. But the Geo has heat, and that's what we're going for. Went and bought a 5,000 pound winch from Harbor Freight. Got the oil burner cranking out some heat. And we're going to see what we can do about putting that on there.